Howdy, folks. This is Professor Eric Skiles. I am the theater professor on campus at Lone Star College-Kingwood, and I'm also one of the resident campus gurus for D2L. Several of the faculty have asked me to show students how to submit an assignment in what we used to call a Dropbox. Now it is simply called assignment. So I've been working in Word, and here is lesson number 2, and I've actually changed that from another title here. And at this point I need to save my document, and I'm going to go up here. You've got the Save button here, and you've got a Save As button here. And in this case I can actually change it to the correct title, and I can save it as a Word document. And if I wanted to, I could also use the Save As button and change the format to PDF. And that sometimes is a little safer to upload, but if your English professor needs it in Word format so that they can grade it, correct it, and change it, then pay attention in class and make sure you are uploading the correct kind of document. Alright, so I'm concluded with Word. I have saved my documents to the desktop because that'll be easy to find, and I'm going to close out of Word. I've already opened up D2L, and I'm in a summer course that is just finished so that I'm not messing up my current courses. And I have set myself as a test student so that what you're going to see on the screen, students, is exactly what you should see on the screen. Now there are 2 ways to get to an assignment. First is through content. If I click on the content link, and I know I was working on assignment 2, I go to lesson 2, it calls it up on the main screen, and I go to lesson 2 assignment. I can click here, I will see the instructions again, I'll make sure I've read through everything and I've completed all portions of the assignment, and then it tells me under submissions I don't have a submission yet. Drag and drop to upload your assignment. I prefer to actually just use the upload button. And down below, it just tells me that I still need to submit to complete this assignment. Now, as I said earlier, there are 2 places where you can do this. I'm going to scroll back to the top, and this time instead of going to Content, I'm going to go to Course Activities, hit the down arrow, and go to Assignments. This is a single folder with all your assignments in it, and here you can see Lesson 2 assignment. I have not submitted anything. So I'm going to click on this link, and it's going to look just like the other place. It's going to have the instructions, and down here at the bottom it's also going to show you how it's going to be graded with the rubric. Obviously this rubric is not going to work for your assignment. And then down here I can add a file. Now this is not nearly as friendly, so I'm actually going to go back to the other one. Cancel, back to Content, back to the assignment, and now I'm going to scroll past it to get to my drag and drop. I'm going to hit my upload button. I'm going to be on my desktop. Here's assignment 2, and it's a Word document because it's got the little icon there. Highlight it and hit open or OK, depending on what kind of computer you're using. And the document shows up. You're not done yet. Feel free to write in a comment. Hope this is what you were looking for. And now there's the big blue button, Submit. It's going to ask you, are you sure? Yes, I am. And now it is going to say confirmation email sent, submission, the time it was submitted, here's what you submitted, here's the message you typed, and down below, well done, you have completed the assignment. So that's just a double check to make sure. Now if I scroll all the way to the top and I check my email, hopefully it's moving very quickly. Yep. And lo and behold, as soon as it loads, look, Dropbox submission receipt, and it will tell me, I confirm Lesson 2 assignment has received the file, and when it was received, the time date stamp. If you don't see the message at the bottom, and you don't get the email message, go back and check the submission button. You may not have hit the submission button. So don't think just getting the file attached completes the submission. All right, I hope this helps. Have a great night.